Welcome back, everybody. Today we're taking a look at Five Below. One of my subscribers out there had suggested I might find a deck of tarot cards to go with my fortune teller theme, but the cards were not in my favor. I did not find them today, but I did find a lot of good creepy deals between $1.50 and $5, including that Ghostbusters shirt we just saw right there, which ended up in my cart and I took home. Unfortunately, they only had sizes going up to large, and even though it looks really large in the hanger, I'm a little bit larger. Anyway, they've got lots of interesting Halloween decor for us to look at and little bits of costumes and accessories. A strobe light that you can actually test. I don't know why we need a tester for a strobe light, but, you know, to each his own. We have some apparel items here, including some more t-shirts. I like this Pennywise shirt. I remember seeing that last year, thinking that was kind of a clever look. But we've got some skeletons, and I think that's more Pennywise and Nightmare Before Christmas. And then we get a little more horror themed down here. And more cartoons. Okay, well, moving on, we have some regular decor. We've got Tombstones here. It looks like a 3-pack of little stones. That's not a bad deal for $5. But for that size, again, you can really get them from the Dollar Tree for $1. I was kind of surprised to see that things are $1.50 to $5 now, which I think the last time I shopped this store, it was $1 to $5. These are kind of cool, though. I like that little skeleton portrait, and this little, I guess it's looks like a coffin that you can put in your little cemetery to make it look like a groundbreaker. I think that's a good bargain for $5. Unlike those little cemetery fences, again, you can get them at the Dollar Tree for $1, so not sure it would be worth it here. But that's a nice looking cemetery sign. And they've got some interesting hanging decor. For $5, you really can't beat these prices. And this girl with the button eyes, I have not seen that in one of these hanging props before, and she is uber creepy. They did have Try Me buttons, or at least it says Try Me on it, but I couldn't get it to work. Sorry about that. We've got some little wall hangings here. I like the little bat on top of that one that said Welcome to Our Haunted House. And it looks like these, that welcome and that pumpkin sign, are they're decent quality. A little bit better than the stuff that you'd find at the Dollar Tree, I think. If you've got a pet, they've got a lot of pet costumes and toys available. Let's take a quick look around here. Little dog hats, how cute is that? Between $2 and $5. As we make our way down, again, lots and lots of costumes. Whether it's a basic bitch or a little candy corn, or look at that little monster. That's kind of adorable. And posters of all sorts if you're interested. They call it trends posters, but they all seem pretty horror themed. Some trick-or-treat bags, or I don't know, if you're a female, maybe it's just a bag. We've got some little, I like those skull masks. Those are kind of interesting design. Little spiders there with all sorts of different spider webs. And creepy skulls, some encased in spider webs. But as we make our way down, again, some costume accessories. Not really sure what those things are, but they're kind of cute. And then over on the side, we have some body sprays. But back in the realm of serious Halloween, we've got some crime scene tape, so forth, and some jumbo eyeballs. I love those. I do not love the gel clings, though. Don't get those. They'll stain your walls and windows. And I don't really understand the big pinwheels. Do people use these? But they're kind of cute. Maybe they're just for kids, you know, to enjoy, like those little activity books. You can get a little bag of skulls in different colors. And some candies, books. Lots of options for kids here. And they threw this, you know, standard decor way on the bottom of the shelf. I don't really know what's going on with this pumpkin with the brain. He's some sort of cup where you can suck the brains out, I guess. I guess that's kind of interesting. And some eyeball ice cube trays. And that's pretty much going to do it. They've got some extra candy here, which we'll try and avoid. But stay tuned for more video walkthroughs of other stores. Till then, take care. Happy haunting.